Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, we are making authentic Ghana spinach stew. Guys, I'm not feeling well today, so please forgive my voice. And these are my ingredients to make my spinach stew. I'll begin by adding 6 whole eggs to my blender, 3 habanero peppers, ginger, and garlic, and I'm adding in my whole melon seed, which I soaked for about an hour, and I'm adding 1 whole onion, and I'm gonna blend everything together. We'll set it on the side and begin making our stew. So in a pot, I've added my palm oil. I have about 3 cups of palm oil right here. And I'm adding my salted fermented fish, which is also called momoni. And I'm adding it to my oil. And we'll then leave it to infuse the oil a little bit and then add our onion. Using the fermented fish is what makes our spinach stew authentic Ghana spinach stew. It infuses the oil and it gives the oil a different type of aroma. We'll leave the onion to cook for about 5 minutes and then we'll add in our cut Roma tomatoes. My tomatoes are organic. You can use any tomato of your choice. I have Roma tomatoes right here. Yes, you can use any tomato of your choice. We'll leave that to cook for about 5 minutes and then we want to stir it a little bit because you don't want the tomato to start getting stuck to the bottom of the pot. We'll then add in our canned tuna and canned mackerel to our stew and then give it a stir. Our stew is looking good and is coming together very well. Without wasting time, I'll go ahead and add in my blended melon seed, which I blended with all my vegetables, my onion, garlic, ginger, and habanero pepper. We'll add it to the stew and give it a gentle stir. You don't want to stir this too much. Okay, and then we'll cover it up and let it cook just for about 5 minutes before we'll check it again and give it a stir. Yes, we'll then go ahead and give it a little stir. Now look at how amazing the stew is coming together, guys. We'll give it an easy stir and then we'll cover it again and let the melon seed cook to perfection, guys. Our stew is coming together very well. Once your melon seed goes inside your stew, you want to make sure you stir it because this is the time when if you're not careful, your stew will burn or the bottom of your pot will burn. We'll then go ahead and add in our carrots. I love my carrot very crunchy in my stew, so especially when making authentic Ghana spinach stew, so I don't add it in too early. We'll give it a stir and cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Our stew is looking really delicious. I'll then go ahead and add in my cut up mushrooms. Oh yes, I love mushrooms. I feel like a mushroom in spinach stew is legit and delicious, guys. We'll then go ahead and give it another stir, and you still want to go easy when stirring it. Also, guys, I did not add any salt to my melon seed. Normally, most of us do add salt to the melon seed, but I didn't add any salt to my melon seed. So yes, I just wanted to let you guys know that. We'll make sure to also give it another stir. Now, our stew is pretty much almost done. Our melon seed looks very well cooked. We'll give it a stir and then we'll be adding our spinach in very soon. All right, I'm adding my shrimp stock cube, and I also had 3 vegetable stock cubes. So there's 3 vegetable stock cube and 1 shrimp stock cube, and I'm giving it a stir. You can add more stock cube if you prefer, but what I added to my stew was just perfect. All right, our stew is looking amazing and delicious so far. Now look at it. My palm oil seems like it's a lot. I'll be taking some off pretty soon once the spinach goes in. And I have about 6 pounds of spinach here. Yes, so I'm making this stew is pretty much, it's a lot. All right, so I've added 6 pounds of spinach, and my spinach is frozen spinach. All right, so I thaw it and then I squeeze out the excess water that's normally in spinach, and then I added it to my stew. All right, so far so good, guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the spinach stew. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. We'll then go ahead and add in our salt to taste. I have about half a tablespoon of salt here, and I'm giving it a mix. My stew is looking beautiful. Oh, look at that. Yes, and then I'll taste for salt. And my salt was perfect and it tastes really good and just the way I like it. I'll then leave it to simmer just for about 2 more minutes. And guys, our stew is ready. All right, so I went ahead and split the stew. One is going to the freezer and one is going to the refrigerator. And I served my spinach stew with some Ghana boiled yam. And I like to show you guys how we dip this. Now look at how I'm dipping it into the stew, and it is delicious. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. God bless you and stay safe. Bye-bye.